coming off this hill. I was in 5th gear, and I've been running this for a long time, but I got this controlling my blade and this controlling my scraper. While I was putting my scraper down, I thought, and I was putting the blade down, and full bore all the way down. I mean, she hit the ground and sheared off these 3 bolts on this side here, the plate that goes on there for the pivots. Sheared that completely off this side. It busted that side was already bent, but it wasn't like that. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, that side wasn't bent, but it is now. Well, it was bent a little bit, but it wasn't bent that bad. But anyway, that was a boneheaded move right there. I'll tell you what, every now and then things happen. That was operator error. I can't blame that on nothing else other than daydreaming, maybe. Anyway, stupid crap.